If you're looking for easy, beginner-friendly dresses, I've got 5 of them to share with you. I'm Maddie with Maddie Sews, and thanks for hanging with me. Well, I have a couple of patterns to share with you all. So I recently went to my local Joann's and picked up some patterns that I thought you all might like to make. These are all quick patterns. I believe they're beginner friendly. And one of them might need a little modification if you're planning on using it for Project Dress-A-Girl. But I thought these all would be really lovely alternatives to having to draft your pattern and make measurements directly onto fabric. Let's start with Kwik Sew 3768. So this is a really cute pattern because it's got a bit of a trapeze style here, and it has a casing at the neckline, and that's both in the front and the back. You can make yourself a little tie made out of your fabric, and you can tie it in a bow at the neck right here. So this is a really nice option because it pulls over the head easily, and the shoulder straps are adjustable. There's no additional fastenings, and it should come together pretty quickly. And what's cute about this one is that they actually give you an idea for how to use fun trims like fun ribbon, or even do a little bit of color blocking down here by adding on a different band. So this is definitely a winner. So Simplicity is also on sale today for $1.99 at Joann's, and I picked up this one. This pattern is Simplicity 9120. And you can see it has that really nice round neckline there, and it's got a pretty simple shape to it. It does come with a little cap sleeve version, so you can see in the drawing here, that little cap sleeve, and she's got it on too. That's actually really nice because a lot of beginner friendly projects don't tend to have sleeves. If you're going to use this pattern, the one thing that you might actually want to look out for is the fact that it has a little keyhole opening in the back, and then it calls for a button and loop situation. I would recommend that instead of actually adding a button and loop, why don't you consider adding ties onto the back, like beautiful ribbon ties, like a nice grosgrain ribbon that's pretty sturdy. Why don't you add it right back there on the back and tie it into a bow, and easy peasy. And I'd be crazy if I didn't tell you all that Thoughtful Creativity designed a dress for Project Dress-A-Girl, which is a beautiful A-line dress with pockets and a little keyhole opening with a bow in the back and a little ruffle. So you can head on over to her video. I'll make sure that it's in the description box below, so that way you can go ahead and get that pattern for free. It's a downloadable pattern, so you don't have to draft it on your own. That one is definitely high on the list of dresses to make, and she has a tutorial on it. Now I also picked up McCall 7768. Now you all, this dress is really similar to the Sundress tutorial that I made. The really big difference here is that it has a bit of a yoke right up here at the front, and they use ribbons to tie. But how adorable are these dresses? It has the gathers that go right into that yoke right here, and then it has a different length options. Even if you didn't want to do the ribbon ties here, you can actually make regular shoulder straps here, and it can still pull over the head. So this is a perfect option as well. And then I did get 2 Burda options. Now, this one, which is Burda 9650, this one's for babies. It goes up to 18 months. This one is really right along the same lines of all of the other dresses that I've told you about. You can pull it over the head. It has little shoulder ties. It has cute little details for adding trim, gathers. It's a really cute option, and because it's for babies, it's not going to take that much fabric. In fact, let me take a quick look. You can make one of these little dresses in just a yard of 44-inch wide fabric. And then there's Burda 9416. So this one is a really cute option because, and it's hard to tell from this view, but you can see that there are little ties at the shoulders here. And they're actually the thicker ties. They're not like small little skinny bias tape type of ties, which is it's a really nice change. And then if you look at the back here, you can see that there's different tiers. So there's different levels. It's not just a band down at the bottom of her actual dress, which I think is just a really nice touch. It's nice to have those additional little layers. You know, it gives it a little something extra. Now, in this view right here, you see that they actually put some tulle underneath her dress. Now that I actually wouldn't recommend that you do. I would recommend that you stay away from the tulle, and it's mostly because it's not going to be able to withstand like really harsh treatment, you know, multiple washings and things like that. So go for one of the other versions if you want this. If any one of these patterns just really caught your eye and you thought, oh, I really would like to make that one for Project Dress a Girl, shoot me an email and I'll be happy to mail it to you. Of course, it's going to be first come, first serve. But I am so happy to ship you one of these patterns if you want to make it. Although there's a sale going on right now for patterns at Joann's for Simplicity and Kwik Sew, in general, patterns tend to be pretty expensive. So if you're looking for a couple of free options that you can just download, tape together quickly, and get moving on them, you definitely need to check out Sam from Frugalisama's video right over here, where she's going to share with you lots of free patterns. Definitely go and check her out. And until next time, I sincerely hope that you find joy and have a wonderful day.